Continuous random variables you met in S2 were defined by probability density function like this. Only one function. Sometimes probability density functions follow a different function for different values of x. That is what we usually call piecewise function. You saw this piecewise function in your P1 in general maths, in the topic function. Now I will discuss this example first. You can see that this is a piecewise function. If the x varies from 1 to 2, it will follow this function. If it varies from 2 to 4, it will follow this function. And if otherwise, the value is 0. You are asked to find the values of a and b. Very interesting stuff. Now, what I need to do is the total probability. We know that the total probability must be 1. That means if I integrate this from 1 to 2, and if I integrate this from 2 to 4, if I add these two, that will give me 1. So if I add the first function, if I integrate actually the first function within the range of 1 to 2 plus 2 to 4 bx dx, this would be equal to 1. Now, if I do the integration here, this is a very simple integration, x to the power n by n, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That means 1 by 3x cubed, limit is 1 to 2. And if I integrate this, b is a constant, I will take it outside. And if I integrate x, it would be x squared by 2, and limit is 2 to 4. Now, if I simply put the limits here, upper limit and the lower limits, I will get the values like this. Now, if you simplify a bit, you will get a relation between a and b. So this is the first equation. Now, the most interesting part is students often get confused after this step. They don't understand what to do next. Here you can see that this function is defined for x is equal to 2. This function is also defined for x is equal to 2. So we can write like this. If the PDF has two different definitions for x is equal to 2, so this must be equal. The PDF is defined for x is equal to 2 here, and also it is defined for x is equal to 2 here. So if I put x is equal to 2 here, a into 2 squared, and if I put 2 here, I will get b into 2. These two are equal. So I'm getting b is equal to 2a. So I have got two equations, guys. This one is 1 and this one is the second equation. By solving these two simultaneously, we will get our values.